Right, Harry, so only 63 last week, which was a bit of a shocker for you, but let's see how you do. Now this paper is a pretty difficult paper, so if you can get in the 60s again for this paper, then that's good going. Right. So you got full marks for the first question. You got 2 marks there. You got 2 marks there. Your method is fine here, but it's not £19.80. It works out to be 12 notebooks for £19.20. But for yours, 20 pence would be right, so you would get that mark. So you would only lose 1 mark on that first page, earning you 17 out of 18. That is correct. That is correct. But that's not right. It's £20. 180 goes into 9 goes into 180 20 times. So lose a careless little mark there. 16798 is fine. 5 for the page. That's perfect. As is that, so you'll get 4 and 3, sorry, there. That is right. So it's a shame you couldn't do this, really. This is pretty straightforward year 8 area work. You know that that's going to be 9 times 3, which is 27. And then this rectangle isn't going to be 9 times 3, because as you've worked out down there, that side is 6. So that's going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. You add them together, you get the total area. This is the units question, so even if you couldn't work out how to do that, but you knew the units are going to be centimetre squared, make up a number, put in the centimetre squared, you would get that mark. 10 for the page. Each row takes up 2 meters, so 9, correct. Right, your maths is perfect. What you've written is fine, but I don't think you've written enough. Okay, you need to be telling me a little bit more about what maths you're doing up there. That's not right, that's not right. That is. You'll get 1 mark there because you've made a triangle, even though both your angles are wrong. That should be there. So with this one, Harry, 36 degrees. Put the centre there, your 0 is there, 36, 10, 20, 30, 36 is there. Get your ruler, draw a line up your page. 112 degrees, you have to turn your protractor around, put the centre there. You know 112 is bigger than 90, so it isn't going to look like that. And 112 is going to be there. So that's what you're looking to draw. Okay, that's what the triangle should have looked like. 7 for the page. Should be able to do that. Have a look at the video clip. If we get a chance, I'll go over things like that in class, but we're running out of time. That one's wrong. We're looking for the difference in height between those two. One of them is 355 above 0, the other is 40 below 0. So the difference between the two is going to be that plus 40, which is 395. 2 for page. That's good. 2 marks. That's wrong. No, that's wrong. You haven't got any probability written down there. Now, you did this question before we did it in class. Hopefully, if you go back to that now, you'll be able to get more marks. That's good. 10 nautical miles is 12 miles. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. 6 for the page. Well done. 6 marks. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's right for your wrong answer. They can catch that one, but that's not the latest. Sorry. That's right, but from your wrong answer. They can catch that train, but it's not the latest. They can get the next. 7th page. 1521 is wrong. That's right. It is a pentagon. But then you're messing up your exterior rule. Okay, 360 is the sum of the exterior angles. The 106 is an interior. So you've gone wrong from there. 74, 68, 38 is correct. That's right. That's right. Yeah, your method is good. Well done. 6 marks. That's right. It's 9, but it's not 9 divided, it's 9 times 3 because it's divided by 3 on that side. So you have to do the opposite, dividing by 3, which is times in by 3. So 2, 1, and 2 for that. Good. 5 for page. Okay then, Harry, let's see how you scored. 17, 22, 32, 39, 41, 47, 54, 57, 63, 68. That is seriously good. On that paper, that is good. Now I'm going to stick to my guns and say that's a D, and it's 2 marks off a C, but in reality the grade boundary for that paper was a lot lower, and that would have been a safe C. Well done, Harry, that's really good.